Naija people don bring ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some tori wey be say it just happened. The Nigerian police don release the Labour Party national chairman wey name be Julius Abure after wey police arrest am on Wednesday, February 21st, 2024, say because im try to commit murder for inside Benin City, and na the petition wey police receive wey somebody petition against am na im make police come go arrest am.
After the general election, they have tried to instigate crisis in the party. They tried to bring false accusation against us. They have come to talk about forgery at the time. When it didn't work, they came with embezzlement. Any person that is aggrieved within the party, they go and instigate them to write petition and to make sure.
The Yoruba Nation agitator wey be Sunday Adeyemo aka Sunday Igboho don come back to Nigeria to bury im mama. Sunday Igboho wey be say dem be arrested for inside 2021 for Benin Republic after 3 weeks wey DSS declare am wanted because of say im get plenty firearms for im house, but im later come out come deny am. Some activists for inside Osun State don come do inaugural protest for inside Osogbo, come dey cry say because of the current situation of economic hardship wey dey happen for inside Nigeria, and the chairman of the Osun Civil Society Coalition with Mr. Wayidi Lawan na come out come lead this inaugural protest. The People Democratic Party chieftain wey be Dele Momodu don come post this video of where airline staff dem dey put cloth for ground because of water wey be say e full the ground, so their passengers dey fit waka on top say enter inside their flight after wey be say heavy rain fall wey make flood come carry Murtala Mohammed International Airport. As Dele Momodu don come dey call on federal airport authorities say make dem try do something about am. Members of Celestial Church of Christ Chok Bamboo Parish for Bagada area of Lagos State don come dey cry after one of their prophets wey be Remileku Ariyomi dey miss, and later they come see im dead body for inside one Lagos beach. During wey be say the youth church go organize Valentine Love Feast for inside the beach resort on Saturday, February 17th, 2024. Na this gbege happen.
This is a lion there. This is the result my brother Remileku Lola lodged into yesterday night. The hotel is in Ogobo. This is their result. Look at it. My brother is missing.
The Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu don come yarn on Thursday, February 22nd, 2024, say they get plan to start to dey share palliative as they expect over 200 trailers of rice from the north. As im come yarn say they go do food purchase and distribution wey be say go reach about 300,000 households for inside Lagos State, and the food go contain 10 kg of rice, 5 kg of garri, 5 kg of beans, and other things like tomatoes for inside the bag wey be say they go share give 300,000 households for inside Lagos State. Come even talk say they go arrange one Sunday market wey be say people go fit go dey buy food stock at cheaper rates.
Garri and some small, pepper and tomato in one bulk. We're going to be opening, what we call Sunday markets in about 42 markets in Lagos. Sunday market. What you will see in those markets, is the same sort of stable, food item. But this time, you'll be buying at a reduced cost.
The federal government don come talk say they go start to dey transfer money to give about 12 million households for inside Nigeria, and the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of Economy will be Wale Edu. I come at yarn this talk on Wednesday, February 21st, 2024. The Kwara State Command of Nigerian Security and Civil Defence Corps will be NSCDC don arrest 51-year-old man wey be Dowu Muhammadu say because im for snack pickles of im wife 14-year-old cousin for Gbagba Airport Road inside Ilori West local government area of Kwara State. The Anambra State government don come declare one Mr. Ikechukwu Nweke wanted after we be say he move 71-year-old man wey be Shedrack Okoye during wey be say they carry masquerade for inside Umuowulu community for Oka South local government area, and Mr. Shedrack Okoye move by after we Ikechukwu blow am say because he no give their masquerade money. The student of Delta State University of Science and Technology, Ozoro, don do an ugly protest after with the Delta State government come out to Konyane, say they wan carry some department to come out from inside the location of their school. Now, so the students they come out to come do an ugly protest, and they do this an ugly protest on Wednesday, February 21st, 2024. For on top this video, wey some ladies dem wey say that they stay for Lagos Island on Thursday, February 22nd, don come dey complain after wey rain fall for inside Lagos State wey carry their environment as they come dey talk. So after we say that they pay millions of naira to stay for Lagos Island, and see now, say small rain wey just for their whole area don carry water. Say people wey say that they stay for inside Lagos mainland, say na they better. Say be like say they go Lagos mainland to go stay.
Milan, you are okay. Oh, I'm living in Lekki. Look at it, 500 million naira. See it, Lekki. Look at it. Just this morning, the rain just started. Look at it. Look at your life.
The Edo State Deputy Governor will be Philip Shaibu don come win the parallel governorship primary of People Democratic Party wey be say they do on Thursday, February 22nd, 2024, as he get 301 votes over other people that will make him come become the winner.
Philip Shaibu has a score of 301. Therefore, we hereby declare Philip Shaibu as the authentic elected.
One man don come dey yarn on top this video as he come dey question the Economic and Financial Crime Commission wey be EFCC, say why they arrest Bureau dey change people them. Say because there no be the problem of naira, why naira they fall up and down. Say the problem of naira, they say nothing that they use naira they trade on top international market. Say because Nigeria not they export anything, they come out for inside Nigeria. Say now wetin make naira come weak where.
Are you trying to rescue the exchange rate by arresting Bureau de changers? I want to understand this. Nothing is being done with the Nigerian naira. Nothing is being bought with the Nigerian naira. What are you exporting? Nothing. So your naira doesn't have value. If you want your naira to appreciate, all you need to do is to stabilize your economy, fix your economy.
The Nigerian Senior Men's Association of Basketball team will be the Tigers. They'll come out to come withdraw from the Afro Basket 2025 qualifier. Say because money no dey to sponsor them, and they come out to come yarn talk on top their ex handle. Dani Alves, the former Brazil and Barcelona player, they don't sentence him of 4 years and 6 months to imprison after we saying forced nakpekusu of one girl for inside Barcelona nightclub during the New Year watch night in 2022, and on Thursday, February 22nd, 2024, now they sentence him. Now Bishop News Club, my name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.